Cracking the code on Scope 3 emissions? A notoriously complex task to undertake indeed. But the key? It's found within the pages of an insightful, comprehensive carbon accounting report. This report, a secret weapon that's long been underutilized in the fight against global warming, offers unparalleled insight into carbon emissions and the role they play in our environment. It's an essential tool for any entity, be it a corporation or an individual, that's committed to achieving a state of net zero. This state, the end goal of reducing and offsetting our carbon emissions until we reach a balance, is the future of sustainability and environmental responsibility. But hold on a moment, what about those navigating the world of small businesses? The proprietors and entrepreneurs who, day in and day out, strive to build their dreams and contribute to their communities? Well, they're in luck. To change the game in carbon accounting is the revolutionary AI accountant. This solution, a perfect blend of savvy professionalism and cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, is designed to meet all their needs, and then some. This remarkable platform makes the daunting task of carbon accounting a straightforward and manageable one. Its design takes into account unique challenges and needs of small businesses, offering solutions that are tailor-made for their success in achieving net zero. Now the question remains, are you ready to take that leap? If the answer is a resounding yes, then all you have to do is go online. Head to the AI Accountant, navigate to the Select Carbon Accounting option. The online framework will guide you through a streamlined process. There, you'll find a clear, well-laid path to not only tackling the monumental challenge of climate change, but also achieving net zero status. From our previous discussion, you might be wondering, what exactly are these Scope 3 emissions? Well, let's break it down. The Greenhouse Gas Protocol, a global standard for how to measure, manage, and report greenhouse gas emissions, categorizes emissions into 3 scopes. Scope 1 covers direct emissions from owned or controlled sources. Scope 2 accounts for indirect emissions from the generation of purchased energy. And then we have Scope 3, the most complex of the 3, which includes all other indirect emissions that occur in a company's value chain, both upstream and downstream. Scope 3 emissions can often take up a significant portion of a company's carbon footprint. These emissions are typically the hardest to calculate and reduce due to their indirect nature. They can originate from a variety of sources like business travel, employee commuting, waste disposal, or even the extraction and production of purchased materials and fuels. But don't fret, that's where our revolutionary AI accountant comes into play. This platform is designed to help businesses accurately track and manage their Scope 3 emissions, making the road to sustainability a little less bumpy. So, are you ready to take control of your carbon footprint? Let's make that move towards a greener future together.